In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete your Meta account. Maybe you've decided it's time to step back from social media, or perhaps you want a fresh start. Whatever the reason, I'm here to guide you through the process in a clear and straightforward manner. Let's get started. Begin by navigating to your account center. You can access this through either your Facebook or Instagram app. If you're unfamiliar with it, don't worry, it's designed to be intuitive and easy to find. Once you've opened your app, look for the menu or settings option. This is typically represented by three horizontal lines or a gear icon depending on the platform you're using. Click there, scroll through the options, and select Account Center. This is where you manage your Meta accounts. Once you're in the Account Center, you'll want to find and click on the Personal Details section. This is where you manage your account's core settings and information. Upon entering this section, select Account Ownership and Control. This option allows you to make significant changes to your account, including deactivating or deleting it. As you proceed, you'll see the choice between deactivation or deletion. It's important to know the difference here. Deactivation is a temporary measure, allowing you to return to your account later, while deletion is permanent. Deleting your account means all your data and activity, like posts, photos, and likes, will be removed with no way to recover them. Make sure to back up any information you want to keep before going further. Next, choose the account you wish to delete from the list of your connected Meta accounts. Then click Continue. If you manage multiple accounts from your account center, be careful to select the correct one. Otherwise, you might mistakenly target the wrong profile for deletion. Now, it's time to authenticate your decision. To proceed, you'll need to enter your password. This step is crucial in ensuring that only account owners with the correct credentials are able to perform such significant actions. Take a moment to verify your password is correct, as entering it incorrectly could result in temporary account lockouts. After you've entered your password, follow the remaining prompts to complete the deletion process. These prompts typically involve confirming your decision a few more times. This extra layer is designed to prevent accidental deletions, so don't be surprised if you see a couple of confirmation screens. Once you've confirmed your choices, your account will be scheduled for deletion, which typically takes a few days to finalize. And that's it. You've successfully navigated everything needed to delete your Meta account permanently. Always remember to double-check any account loss implications before you make this irreversible move. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Until next time, take care.